Okay, we've done one example. Now I want to show you another example. So this one we did, and we were fortunate when they gave us the system, we had opposite coefficients on the y right away, so we could just instantly eliminate the y from the equations by adding the equations together and solving for x. Then we were able to solve for y. Sometimes that's not the case. For example, here, if I look at my y's first, maybe I've got a positive 3 and a negative 5. Those are not going to go away. And I've got a negative 5 and a negative 5. Now, those are exactly the same. And I need opposite coefficients. So I need one of these to be positive. And a clever way to do that, and I could do the top or the bottom equation, doesn't matter, but I'm going to multiply by negative 1. When I distribute that negative 1 here, that makes that a positive 5x and a positive 5y and a positive 30. Essentially, just wound up changing all of the signs on that bottom equation. So I changed the bottom equation to this. Now I can use my elimination method, add these two equations together. Negative 5x plus 5x is 0. It disappears. 3y plus 5y is 8y. 2 plus 30 is 32. And very easily, we solve our y portion of this system. So we know the y value at that point of intersection is 4. Now I need to substitute that 4 back into one of my original equations. Again, it doesn't matter which one. I'm going to actually put it in both. I want to put it in the top equation first and get negative 5x plus 3 times 4, my y value, equals 2. When I solve for x here, I will get the same answer when I put 4 in for y here, if I have my math right. So I'm going to see what I get here. Negative 5x plus 12 equals 2. Two-step equation. Isolate the x, divide by that exact coefficient. So I get x equals 2. Now, just to be certain that I did all my math right, I'm going to do the same thing here. I came up with 4 for my y. So when I solve this equation and substitute that 4 in for y, I should get 2 also. So I add 20, negative 5x equals negative 10, just like I had over here. Divide by negative 5, and x equals 2. Now I'm certain, absolutely certain that I did all of my math right. That is the point of intersection of that system.